Alright, I really didn't have a plan, but I'm going to try to catch a fish on video. Been hammering trout and crappie and even bass. I think bluegill are hitting this too. It's just a little Berkeley power bait emerald shiner 2-inch minnow on a small hook. I don't even know what size, about 12 inches up from a drop shot weight. I don't even know if you can hear me actually. There we go. Come on, baby. Stay on. Yeah, that's a good one. I don't know what that is. Could be a trout. It is a trout. Nice little rainbow. Here comes the heron. I don't know if you can see him. But I barely lip hooked this sucker. So sorry, buddy. I don't think you're going to be able to get this one. No, not with the hook on, too. Yeah, really quick out of the water. Nice little beautiful rainbow. Lost my minnow. There we go. He gone. Sorry, Heron. No, I think he's swimming away, buddy. I think. Oh, you got him? Oh my gosh, you got him. He was gonna live. That's messed up, dude. That's messed up. He was just lip hooked. That trout was going to survive. He just got lip hooked. That's all. Ain't no big deal. Just a innocent little lip hook. And he was going to survive. But no. Mr. Great Blue Heron said, "Not today, Junior." Yeah, here it is. Berkeley power bait. And it's a 2-inch minnow emerald shiner. 2-inch minnow emerald shiner. That's all it takes, folks. At least here at Dorado.